Installing your Ekodeck Plus Designer Series edgeboard is quick and easy. In this video, we'll be outlining how, in a few quick steps, you can easily install your edgeboard for a concealed look, perfect for picture framing your deck or even steps. Our innovative edgeboard design has a square edge on one side for a clean finish. The other side has a grooved edge for installation with quick fix. And on the bottom, we have a special rebate, which allows you to install your edgeboard with no visible fasteners. Begin by positioning your C-clips to give your desired amount of overhang. It's recommended to install C-clips at each end, then run a string line to ensure all C-clips are straight and true. Install C-clips every 450mm, or on each joist. Push the edgeboard into the C-clips using the rebate on the bottom of the board. Make sure the board is securely locked in place. To install your fascia, you can use a normal decking board. Use C-clips for the top edge, then face fix the bottom. When face fixing, be sure to pre-drill an oversized clearance hole, countersink, and then fasten using 10 gauge screws every 450mm. And that's all there is to it. Continue to fasten your decking using Quick Fix. Check out our other videos showing how to install your Ekodeck Plus using Quick Fix.